Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 15th of July 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. So who was appointed the CEO of NITI Aayog? So the correct answer of this question is option D. So recently Parmeshwaran Iyer, who steered the Swachh Bharat mission of the government between 2016 and 2020, take charge as the CEO of NITI Aayog. So the full form of NITI Aayog is National Institute for Transforming India. He has been appointed for a period of 2 years or until further orders. He succeeds Amitabh Kant, who retired on June 30. So basically Amitabh Kant was appointed as the CEO of NITI Aayog on February 17 in 2016 for the 2 years. Okay, so now next question. Who will serve as the head of the task group the IRDAI established for the life insurance industry? So the correct answer of this question is option A. So recently the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India two task force to suggest step to sort out issue between insurers and reinsurers. So the task force will be headed by Naveen, who is the MD and CEO of Tara AIA Life Insurance. This task force consists of 7 members and will look at the life insurance segment and reinsurers. Okay, so now next question. Which bank and payment platform was awarded a payment aggregators license by the RBI? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Razorpay. So recently the Bengaluru fintech platform Razorpay has received in principle approval by the Reserve Bank of India for a payment aggregator license. So the move endorsed Razorpay as a country's full stack financial platform and further retires the trust placed by over 8 million business in the platform to boost and support their business growth. So basically RBI issued a payment aggregator framework in March 2020 which state that the payment gateway will be mandated to have a license in order to acquire merchants and provide them with a digital payment acceptance solution. Okay, so now next question. Who has been appointed CEO and MD of Eureka Forbes? So the correct answer of this question is option B. So recently private equity firm Advent International backed Eureka Forbes named Pratik Pota as its Chief Executive and Managing Director. So previously he was a Chief Executive Officer at Jubilant Foodwork Limited. Okay, so now next question. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, is facing legal action from the Twitter over his decision to suspend how many $1 billion takeover agreement? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is USD 44 billion. So recently Twitter has hired top law firm to charge legal action against Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk on his decision to terminate the USD 44 billion takeover deal. Okay, so now next question. What is the name of the most recent Indian airline to be granted an air operator certificate by the DCGA, the aviation regulating body? So the correct answer of this question is option D. So recently billionaire investor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala Akansha Air has been cleared for takeoff. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which state administration has set aside rupees 300 crore from the externally financed project for investigating in earlier childhood education initiatives? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Meghalaya. So Meghalaya Chief Minister has announced government that has earmarked rupees 300 crore from the externally aided project to make investment in earlier childhood education programs. Okay, so now move to the next question. How many percentage did retail inflation decline in June according to the Consumer Price Index? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 7.01%. So recently the retail inflation based on the Consumer Price Index eased to 7.01% in June this year compared to the 7.04% in the preceding month. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which of the following bank subsidiaries has a Memorandum of Understanding signed with the Ministry of External Affairs for the Trilateral Development Cooperation Fund in July 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is SBI. So recently the SBI Cap Venture Limited, a subsidiary of the State Bank of India, signed a MOU with the Ministry of External Affairs for establishing the Trilateral Development Cooperation Fund for a joint project with the global partners. Okay, so now next question. Which state or union territory launched the SAH-BHAGITA for program to reward resident welfare association for paying their property tax on the time? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Delhi. So recently Lieutenant Governor of Delhi launched an initiative scheme for resident welfare association to ensure property tax compliances and waste management in the city. So under the SAH-BHAGITA scheme, resident welfare association will get 15% of total collection of the property tax for a development work in their areas. Okay.